Hey guys, this is Derek Wolf with Over the Fire Cooking. I'm hanging out with Spiceology. 3 years in the making, my brand new beer kits. I love bourbon, and the original idea started as a beer flavor that I wanted to kind of make into a seasoning. I was thinking about doing some like barrel-aged stouts. What would we be able to do with like a barrel-aged stout flavor? Started playing around with the flavor, and I realized, like, you know, you get a very dark, rich, sugary flavor that comes off of some of these barrel-aged stouts. And I knew I wanted to make a rib rub. And I thought, what if we just mashed this all together and made a rib rub out of this? We added a little bit of burnt sugar powder, and that's where you get this like toasted caramelly flavor that comes off of it. That like sticky flavor that you're looking for. Sticky Bourbon Brown Ale works on any cut of pork. I think it could work on chicken as well if that's a flavor profile you like. It's gonna have that bourbon flavor. It's also gonna have some of that darker beer flavor. A sugar forward rub, perfect for pork.